Welcome to Insights with Varun Singhal. Today we will ask insights from industry leaders in internal audit. We will understand how COVID has impacted the profession of internal audit and how we need to respond to it. COVID 19, or popularly known as Corona, has changed the entire world. It has adversely impacted global stock markets, crude oil prices crashed, and unemployment is seeing new heights every day. In India, we are seeing a massive movement of blue collar employees or people working in unorganized sector from cities to countryside. And for white collar employees, working from home is a new normal. COVID is impacting businesses and consumer behavior at a large scale. And currently, there is nothing in this world which is not impacted by Corona. Let's understand how COVID has impacted the internal audit profession. We have seen internal audit evolve from traditional transaction based approach to more focused risk based approach. Is COVID a new milestone which will further evolve the internal audit profession? Let's ask insights from the leaders in internal audit. Let me introduce our speaker Avinash Jain. He is head of internal audit in Paytm Payment Bank. Avinash, welcome to the discussion. My first question to you is how COVID 19 is changing or will change the way we work or the way we do business.
Yeah, COVID-19 has placed whole world in an enormous strain, which is going to impact our behavior and pattern of life in a significant way. In banking industry, my sense is that we are going to see a major shift from branch banking to mobile banking because now people want to avoid physical movement as much as possible, and it is a need of hour. Offering all banking services via online and in digital form is going to be a new normal. Now contactless payment has become a need. Therefore, we will see a substantial growth in digital transactions. Recently, RBI has also allowed KYC through video call. Hence, physical attendance and face-to-face meeting with the customer is no more required. Therefore, banks who are already in digital and mobile banking will definitely get benefit out of this and may see a big growth in their digital transaction and volume.
Do you think that there will be change in expectation from internal audit?
I think expectation from internal audit is same to have complete understanding of business model, its changing environment and priorities. Internal audit should be able to find out relevant risks coming out due to changes in business approach in this current environment. Further, I feel audit should be more proactive and should play more consultative role in all the strategic decision of the management.
I completely agree with you on this, Avinash. In fact, you made a very interesting point that internal audit should spend more time on consulting engagements. By doing this way, I think we'll be able to change the perception of the people that internal audit is no more a policing function but it's a value added function. Another question to you, how internal audit should change the approach or what should be the new areas of focus?
So there are few areas which internal audit should be given additional focus in current scenario, like review of risk associated with the digital transaction like cyber security and online frauds. Additionally, audit should have comprehensive and more frequent review on access rights across the organization, especially when staffs are working from home. Further assessing the outsourcing and third party risks to recalibrate their capacity, capability, worthiness and contract compliance.
Thanks, Avinash, for your insights. Friends, this is a very interesting point that both businesses and internal audit needs to be agile. They have to act swiftly. Gone are the days when we say survival of the fittest. Now the time is survival of the quickest. With this thought, let me introduce to another industry colleague of mine, Saurabh Bhaumik. Saurabh is currently working as Senior General Manager in Global Internal Audit Function of Sun Pharma. Welcome to the discussion and please let me know what's your take on the current situation and how internal audit should respond to it.
Hi Varun, how are you? I hope you are keeping well under this pandemic situation. At the outset, I'd like to thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak about the situation and the role of internal audit. Yes, the business has undergone a significant change. There are challenges whether it's to supply chain, distribution, production, sourcing, above all, the safety of our people. At the same time, the expectation of senior management, the key stakeholders, and the audit committee from the internal audit have also enhanced. The focus of current year audit plan is to give assurance through data analytics, cybersecurity, compliance to statute. There could be situations where we bypass the controls, non-adherence to policies and procedures, and all these factors have been taken into consideration in the current year audit plan. We have also gone back, rewritten our risk register, have identified key risk areas during the audit plan procedures to ensure the current controls instituted by the management are effective enough to mitigate the risks that's being identified. I am sure with the support of senior management, audit committee, we would be able to achieve the basic objective of internal audit, that is giving an assurance. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Saurabh, for your insights. So, friends, due to lockdown situation, there is increased number of online transactions, and people are working from home and they are using different network. So, there is a increase in likelihood and impact of cyber security risk. Internal audit function should reassess these risks and reassess the processes to understand what changes have been made due to lockdown situation. Adding to this, we have another guest speaker, Mohit Sachdeva. Mohit is Head of Internal Audit in Sony India. Mohit, welcome to the discussion, and please let me know what's your take on the current situation and how internal audit should respond to it.
Hi everyone, I trust you all are doing great and staying safe at your home. With the changing scenarios, today's most important aspect is to understand and review our preparedness and reaction time to the pandemic. It's important for the companies and the audit function to review and strategize step towards new normal. Shareholders' expectations from internal audit team are also changing, such as the risk of global pandemic was not specifically highlighted in the risk assessments of many internal audit functions. Prior to COVID, as a result of the pandemic, the audit professions have shown significant flexibility in changing their audit plans. Further, travel restrictions are also going to be there until end of year 2020. Since the global pandemic started, most internal audit functions or auditors have been primarily working from home. We should ensure maximum use of data analytics, agile auditing techniques, and a greater focus on consulting activities. The internal audit team should not restrict themselves with the scope of work and provide consulting within the business, ensuring conflict of interest, if any. Internal audit function should also make necessary changes in the risk assessment, IA plan, and overall approach followed by them. Some of the key changes identified by me and important at the same time are to have more flexible audit plans, revisit risk assessment registers, and incorporate risk of global pandemic and its impact on the business. Review the organization's business continuity, crisis management, and pandemic preparedness. Check organization's cash management policies, assumptions, timely monitoring and reporting. Cybersecurity review. Conduct comprehensive access right review due to work from home and other changes in business. Conduct fraud risk assessment and check whether you have the necessary infra and preparedness to conduct investigations remotely or not. Review hotline and review reporting mechanism. Third party risk management review to ensure contractual compliances. The internal audit team should review the need and existence of a force majeure clause in all the agreement. There is a possibility of vendor defaults or delay in fulfillment of contractual obligations, leading to dispute over payments. Yeah, these are some of the key changes which are required in internal audit functions due to ongoing pandemic and at the same time impact of COVID-19 on the businesses. Thank you so much.
Thanks for your time. We are surely heading towards a digital world, and COVID has increased the pace to reach there. Cybersecurity, data analytics, agile planning, and artificial intelligence will be the new areas of focus, and this will further enhance and evolve the profession of internal audit. If you have any comments or questions about today's discussion, please feel free to call me directly at 8800 867 300, or you can write to me at insightswithvarun@gmail.com.